news. And it's now time for the Ray of Hope. This evening we'll tell you about the young man who is showing that age is just a number for a young carpenter whose craftsmanship speaks louder than his years. From shaping wood to shaping his future, the hardworking boy is using his talent to earn honestly and inspire those around him. Romar the Lions has his story.
Ray of Hope, brought to you by
Quartz has what you need to make home yours. Easy payment plans using Quartz Ready Finance. Quartz, make home yours.
15-year-old Chrisjay Gayle, you could say he's a cut above the rest. The youngster lives in Melrose District in Porus, Manchester, and has been practicing carpentry since he was 6.
Yeah, I used to do construction with my father. It's more easier than construction and other works. No sun and more easier.
He's never bored. He's been doing it consistently about 6 months now. He credits his woodwork teacher at Homewood Technical High School.
I did a stool. The first thing is a stool. Never really challenging because I did have a plan like I put the board on and mark. But from I catch it now, I don't really use the board again. So I can just use my free hand and it's alright.
School and carpentry. To balance both, he says he has to drill down on time management.
When I come back from school, like 4 o'clock or so, I work till like 9 o'clock in the night, or sometime I will get up in the morning and do something, then I go bed and go to school.
When he closes his books, he can open his pockets as his hobby has become profitable.
Yeah, it worked out hard because like on TikTok and the community will buy a stool from me, and so I get customer in the community and outside like on TikTok and so.
The workshop is flush with completed pieces, but one is special to him.
Toilet stand, because about more people ask me about it, like about 20 or more people ask me about it since I posted.
Now, no questions surrounding career choice in the future.
Yeah, I want to do it on mason work because it is a nice work and like, yeah, in a sun for the all day, and it in cool shade working, cutting board and stuff. It's pretty easy.
His father introduced him to the skill. Now, he introduces his father to the spotlight.
That's the time now.
I bring him go to Spanish Town, for to build a kitchen cupboard, counter top. And from that there, people respect him and say, I first look at it, boy, him see where can work so from a little age. So he keep on around me, tell me start. Bring him with me, every holiday I bring him with me to work.
He says his son has become a business partner who pushes him to be better.
What challenging for me, he give me better idea, easier work. But proud of him. He got technical school, so he's more advanced more than me right now, but happy for him. Right now, when I work on my house here, him help me run that.
Chrisjay offered advice to youngsters interested in the field.
It's like if you see a carpenter person in the area, you can go and watch them work and learn and do it yourself and buy your tools one by one.
With your Ray of Hope, I'm Romar the Lion.